Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia. Many people got frustrated with Bloktopia, and I had someone in the comments in one of the recent videos who said Bloktopia isn't moving at all. It hasn't moved at all. It is just slow. To be honest, I mean, look at this cryptocurrency. It's amazing what this. I mean, that it has moved that much. Honestly, I didn't understand that comment because it has really, since I talked about it at 3.5 cents. I mean, it did a. Don't even know whether there was a 5x to here, and then we've come down, or even more than a 5x, we've come down again, obviously, but really never came below the 3.5 cents that when I started to talk about it. And we then continued to go up, obviously had a blow off top, something like that. Now coming down here, but we didn't come below the 0.887 fib level here. So this is really like the last main fib level of that correction here that you can come down to before you really find support at the beginning of that wave. And obviously if you come below that beginning of that wave, then we have to talk about bearish pattern here. But yeah, we found significant support here at the 0.887 fib level at nearly 6 cents, and since then we've continued to move up, and it is looking really good, to be honest. It is looking really good. So I think this chart could really scream for all-time highs, honestly. I mean, we are just here at another breakout point just now at 12.8 cents. I would say either we come, and that's just my own view, I think either we go through here or we pull back once more to the trend line and then go through. I don't think, and it's only my current view, that we break below the trend line here. I think this is looking now really good. It really bullish, that chart. Also with what is going on in all the metaverses, I think money of the funds might start to trickle down now from these larger cryptos like Sand and Mana into smaller projects, or people see them, people realize they are there, because Mana and Sand have now pumped to all-time highs, whereas Bloktopia hasn't done that yet. The all-time high is here at 18 cents, nearly 17.8. Yeah, and I think this 0.5 fib level here. No, sorry, it's not the 0.5, it's actually the 0.32 fib level here at 12.8 cents. This will be another major breakout point. If we go above that, honestly, there are not many more resistance levels. I think the next one here will be the 0.214 fib at 15 cents, and after that we can talk about, let's get to the all-time high, right? And it's looking good, it's looking good. Here, I mean, we are retracing now a little bit because of that being overbought here on the 4 hour, but the 4 hour is not as significant as the daily, and we're going to take a look at that. MACD is looking really bullish, had a bullish cross here. That was actually yesterday. And yeah, I mean, we remained bullish here on the channel about Bloktopia, and it seems to play out now. And I'm really pleased. I've got a lot of money in Bloktopia. I think it's my second biggest holding, actually. Probably also the one with not the most risk. I think Neop is a bit more risky because it's just way earlier. But still, I think the potential in this cryptocurrency, in this project, is just amazing. All the partners, seeing Binance NFT coming in and all the other partners and the staking and everything. The only thing I don't really like is the tokenomics, and that is a bit of a concern. But they do a lot to encourage people to stake, and yeah, it will be big, this one here. So looking here on the daily, we can see that we are not in the overbought range yet, and we just had a buy signal here on the daily MACD. This is awesome. And we've got quite a bit of scope to go up here from the daily. So yeah, this is a really interesting and really bullish looking chart in my view. We had here a bit of an extension away, obviously, but overall we keep in an uptrend here. We are above the 20-day moving average again. We're of course above the 50. Here the 20-day moving average, by the way, is at 9.2 cents, and here on the weekly as well, we don't even have a weekly RSI because we don't have enough weeks yet. But look at this beautiful chart. Yeah, look at it. It's just beautiful. I'm someone who says nothing happens here on this. I don't understand it, because look at this chart. It's just going up. The only exception here, but you can also cut this away, and it was just an uptrend. Yeah, just an uptrend. Beautiful, nice chart. Actually, even increasing in momentum. If you see that, draw the trend line there. You have to draw a more steep trend line here. So it is gaining momentum. It's awesome. I'm really bullish on Bloktopia. I remain bullish, and I think we are going to see new all-time highs fairly soon. That's my own view. I think we're only in the beginning here, and obviously the metaverse hype is going to drive this cryptocurrency, the price of Bloktopia, further up. So hopefully you liked that update video about Bloktopia. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.